and thank you for tuning in. I'm here today to talk to you on how to install TSGL on your Windows system. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this website right here, github.com/uppercase C Calvin uppercase CS /uppercase TSGL. It's essentially the repository page for the TSGL source code. Next, download zip. Give it a second. Okay, now go to your downloads folder, and you're going to extract that to your folder, your personal folder, so mine's CPD5, and you're going to make a new folder in there, and you're going to call it Workspace. Okay, and that's where you'll be extracting your files to. So your file path should look something similar to that. Extract. Alright, now open up TSGL Master and click on this, Install Windows. You can also click on README Windows, and that'll essentially show you the process on how to install TSGL on your Windows system. This should be this should be Install Windows, my mistake. Yep. So it should be the install windows.exe. That's right here. My apologies, these instructions were written before we started renaming things. So install windows.exe is what you're going to want to execute. So click yes, and then that should be 1.1.1, and then click next. So that's where it's going to essentially put TSGL, install, and as you can see, it's getting all of the necessary library information. The 4 libraries it needs to run on Windows are GLEW, GL, FreeGlut, and FreeType. There's also another library, GLFW. It comes preloaded with another library needed, and that's STB. But you don't have to worry about it since it's already in the TSGL source code. So yeah, just wait for it to install the libraries needed. It shows you which one's currently being installed over here. Installing GLEW right now. Alright, and it's up to you whether or not you want to keep up the zipped libraries. I'd say no for now. Let's click Finish, and go to the TSGL master folder. You can see that there's a TSGL Visual Studio project in here. Well, solution, my mistake. Here, you're going to want to open that up. It currently works, TSGL currently works with Windows 7 and Visual Studio 2012, so keep that in mind. Currently it has not been tested on Visual Studio 2015 nor Windows 10, but that will be in the future, near future. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to right-click on TSGL, the project, build, and it'll build the source files for you. Alright, and now scroll up to Solution TSGL 42 projects, and build the solution. TSGL is now complete and ready to go. What you're going to want to do now, now that we've built the solution, is you're going to want to open up a command line, so CMD, and you're going to want to go into Workspace, TSGL Master, mistake, dir, and you're going to want to run test.bat, so do run test.bat, okay, and there we go. Essentially what runtest.bat is it's just a way to run the 42 projects that are in the TSGL solution, well 41 if you're not counting the TSGL project itself. And essentially what these are, they are tests that essentially just check out different features of the library. So this one is using alpha transparent rectangles and just drawing them at random. You can click escape to exit out of the window. This one utilizes the I/O functions that TSGL has. As you can see, the center kind of follows the mouse around a little bit. In this one, you can click and the balls will repel. Click again, they'll be attracted. And essentially, you can see that there are a lot of different tests. This one just does recursive splitting. You can check out the other tests if you want. For now, this tutorial is finished, but as a final note, you can read up on the tests in the readme test.txt file located in the TSGL source folder, TSGL master source folder. And that completes this tutorial.